Hello kids, welcome to Prahalad Kids World. Today we will learn the alphabet from A to Z with fun pictures and sounds. Are you ready? A for apple. Here is the letter A, and here is a shiny red apple. Can you say A for apple? B for ball. Look, a big round ball. Say it with me, B for ball. C for cat. A cute little cat says meow meow. Say C for cat. D for duck. The duck goes quack quack. Say D for duck. E for elephant. A big, strong elephant. Everyone say, E for elephant. F for fish. Look, the fish swims in water. Say F for fish. G for grapes. Sweet purple grapes, yummy. Say G for grapes. H for hat. A nice red hat on his head. Say H for hat. I for ice cream. Cold and tasty ice cream. Say I for ice cream. J for jug. A jug full of water. Say J for jug. K for kite. The kite flies high in the sky. Say K for kite. L for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Say L for lion. M for mango. The mango is the king of fruits. Say M for mango. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. Say N for nest. O for orange. A juicy orange fruit. Say O for orange. P for parrot. The parrot is green and can talk. Say P for parrot. Q for queen. The queen wears a golden crown. Say Q for queen. R for rabbit. A rabbit jumps fast. Say R for rabbit. S for sun. The sun gives us light every day. Say S for sun. T for tiger. The tiger has black stripes. Say T for tiger. U for umbrella. We use an umbrella when it rains. Say U for umbrella. V for van. A van carries many people. Say V for van. W for watch. A watch tells us the time. Say W for watch. X for xylophone. Tap tap. The xylophone makes music. Say X for xylophone. Y for yak. The yak has long hair and lives in mountains. Say Y for yak. Z for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Say Z for zebra. Great job, kids. You learned all the letters from A to Z. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Prahalad Kids World for more fun learning videos.